Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Are you wondering if you qualify for Empower's personal wealth advisory service? Well, here's how to check that in under 2 minutes. The first step is to log in. So open your Empower dashboard on desktop or mobile. Next is to go to advisory services. So just click your profile icon and then select wealth management, or you can just look for the advisory service tab. Next is to review requirements. So Empower typically requires a minimum of $100,000 in investable assets for advisory eligibility. The platform will automatically check your linked accounts. Next is to schedule a call. Now, if you're eligible, you're going to see an option to schedule a free consultation with an advisor. So the final step is to confirm and prepare. So just go ahead and choose a time, confirm your info, and get ready to discuss your portfolio and goals. That's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.